The Holi Days recognition is over. We are well into the new year, and the spring equinox is on its way. I am Moon Ra Love, and I am honored to have you join us for Serving Tea with Love.
Hello, I am the Natria Moon Ra of Hula Roots, and I love drinking tea. Morning, noon, or night, join us on any one of our live platforms. And would you join me? We'd love to have you. We'd like to have you, and you, and you, and you, and you. Would you like to have tea with us? Morning, noon, night. We'd love to have you. Join us.
Let's get this party started, right? I am so excited to be back. And I would love to share with you all of the new tea experiences I have been diving in while we were away. So let's get all into that and what we are coming back into the season with. I am your Juice Plus and Tower Garden representative. And our friends at Holistic Harlem are back with our monthly live or in-person Wellness Harlem Health Matters. Would you join us? Via Zoom, via in-person at the New Amsterdam Music Association, or join us on our Facebook page. Be with the collective of others on their Juice Plus journey and be supported here. And when you join the Juice Plus Reset 25, we'll share 25 tips over 25 days in 2025 to help kickstart your healthy living journey. And find out about our Juice Plus Healthy Starts program, where you get free gummies with an adult sponsor.
Wait. What?
Let's talk about it. All information is in the description and the links. Now let us share the health observances for February and March and our tea list of the month. Keeping busy over the Holi Days, I visited Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania's Nature's Technology, the Herbal Mocktail Bar. Now, if you like fine hotel dining, then definitely visit the Victoria in Harlem. Serving Tea with Love visited here just to change our office vibe, and I had wonderful tea experiences. I do it in my neighborhood, right? And support my community. We're making some tea, and this is beautiful. I mean, New York City is my playground. Do you know Serving Tea with Love finally had a serving of bubble tea, also known as boba milk tea, also known as pearl milk tea? I found this particular tea shop because I found one of those big straws in the street, and I was like, oh my gosh, these are those boba tea straws. Hey Siri, boba tea shop near me. And I found this one of my first in the Bronx. This is just me navigating what type of bubble tea, boba tea, pearl milk tea that I mostly enjoy. There are so many. This one is more of a creamy latte type of drink.
The bubbles are the chewed ones.
What's it made of?
Probably rice something. Who knows? I'll look it up.
My search continued and I found Goncha. Definitely made me feel warm when I walked in, especially with their signs. And their menu was a little easier to navigate, trying to find something that I could enjoy.
So how do you order bubble tea? Well, they have some suggestions here, and I've only tried 2. So today, I'm going to try my 3rd flavor of something in bubble tea.
Now, with names like Exclusivity, Rich Auntie, Fixity, and Blackity, I finally tried Green Heifer Farms Pharmacy's organic medicinal teas. Green Heifer Farms uses regenerative farming practices, support BIPOC woman farming, and all information is found in the description.
Turn it on, cook it up, make it boil, let it soak. Is it hot? Is it cold? What degree? Spill the tea. Turn it on, cook it up.
Thank you for joining us this episode. Join us next month on the 25th of March and get your health awareness tea list.